Now this part of the Chinese lesson, qi means deceiving. 人 people. Deceiving people, 欺人 取 取 means take. 物 means things. Okay. So this part 欺人 取物 to deceive people and to take things away from them. This is the situation that in China when Master Li was teaching Falun Dafa. Inside of China, there were lots of other Qigong masters, and they all actually pretend that they are the Qigong masters. They know certain things, and a lot of people follow them around, and they deceiving people, and they take money away from people, take things away from people. 欺人取物. If you want to decide whether a teacher is a good teacher, you know, whether the teacher is leading people up or pretending to leading people to the light, you can actually a lot of times find out based upon his behavior. Is he taking things and money away from people? If people always, a teacher, right? Spiritual teacher, and his mind is always thinking about, oh, how I'm going to gather a lot of donation monies, or how I'm going to gather a lot of gifts. You see, in Flushing, I visited a lot of, so-called Christian church. The Chinese Christian went over there, and I sat in the church and listened to the priest, quote unquote, and all he's talking about is about himself. He doesn't even read Bible. And every section is about how to get people donate money. Okay, so people go there and donate money. If you donate to me, you will be saved. If you follow me, you will be saved. He as if it's Jesus himself. You know what I mean? So if you want to decide whether someone is spreading the evil way and is leading people to delusion, you can also see what he's talking about. Is he telling the truth, or he's deceiving people and taking money away from people? So this is 欺人取物. It's a very good measure for anyone to decide whether it is something that is belonging to 迷信邪道, or it is truly righteous way. Now, the CCP government defamed Falun Dafa and the Master Li, but look at what Falun Dafa practitioners do and what Master Li does. And 欺人取物 is immoral act. And Master Li, throughout all these years of teaching Falun Dafa, if you just spend a little time to read Master Li's book, listen to Master Li's lectures, okay, and watch Master Li's lectures, you go and find out what Falun Gong is, what Falun Dafa practitioners believe in. And the CCP government defamed Master Li for gathering certain money, such and such. You go investigate. You find out what's really going on. Okay. Meanwhile, inside of China, every CCP leader, you investigate them to see what they have done throughout of all these years. 欺人取物. You look at all the Chinese Communist Party members and the leaders, and you look at them whether they have 欺人取物. Very soon you will find that the biggest 迷信and 邪道 truly is communism. Throughout all the histories of communism, CCP leaders always, make corruption, create corruption. Right now, the entire China, corruption is everywhere. Morality is destroyed, all under the name of science, technology, communism. So that's why I say the biggest 迷信 and 邪道 in the modern time, we should teach our students communism is the most evil way and it's going to destroy mankind. Evolution theories, atheism is the biggest lies that are deceiving people and taking away not only people's money, but it's taking away people's mind and spirit and leading people to go down hell and be destroyed. That is the most scary thing. Okay, so 迷信邪道，欺人取物. I hope from after this lesson, everyone in the mind will remember communism, socialism, evolution theory, okay, so-called modern science and technology without morality foundation. All those are destroying mankind's future. And if we're going to be saved, we should always return to tradition, return to, moral principles. If people remember, as a human being, we're not an animal. We are created, and we're created for a noble purpose. And as a matter of fact, right now, most of us shall remember who we are. We are from the universe. We came to the human realm. We are in this beautiful human body. We are here to cultivate. We are here to improve ourselves. And only when we cultivate our heart and improve ourselves, then we'll be able to elevate and be able to return to where we originally came from. The earth, the three realms, and why earth was created, why the three realms is created, why human body is created, for what purpose? Master Li already delivered the truth, and we should study that, meditate over it, then that will lead us out from delusion and deviation, and certainly will not be deceived by all those wrong, forces, and eventually being taken away not only your money but your life. You see, very, very important moral lesson. Thank you.